born in Syracuse, Sicily, around 287 BC. His father, Phidias, was an astronomer, and we don't know much about his mother or his wife or his kids. We don't know a lot of that. We don't even know if he has a last name, because back then last names were not used like we use last names today. And he was put under the care of Alexandria, Egypt. Now, at the time, the University of Alexandria, Egypt, that was top-notch. Okay, top-notch. Ah, yes, Archimedes. He was quite the individual. He made extraordinary advancements in mathematical and mechanics and hydrostasis. Yes, he even developed a sort of water screw that it would be a screw enclosed in a long cylindrical tube, and when placed in the water, the screw would be twisted in a manner that the water would be pulled up, because it would be sitting in the screw. Yes, it was quite fascinating for his time. After returning home from Alexandria, Egypt, he began to sit in his room, just like a hermit crab, and he began to study. His king, King Hero of Syracuse, Sicily, he took notice of the fact that he was such an avid studier of these advanced mathematical equations. And he said, "You know what, Archimedes? I just recently had a new golden crown made. But I have my speculations, Archimedes. I am not sure if this golden crown is a golden crown." Archimedes immediately began to work on this problem. He wondered, how could the properties of this golden crown be brought differently between other elements? So he decided that he would just spend many days without eating or bathing or drinking, and he would just work to find this out. Now eventually his servants grabbed Archimedes and forced him from his room. Forced him. Now he put him from his bath because he smelt so bad, because he's been working on this problem all the time. And as he entered this full bath, he realized that water overflowed from the sides. Now, he jumped out of the bath, went out into the streets of Sicily saying, "Eureka! Eureka!" meaning, "I found it! I found it!"
Archimedes didn't stop with the discoveries of water displacement. No, from there he went on to bigger and better inventions. Fluent in the works of mathematics, Archimedes soon understood calculus.
Yes, calculus. As recently found in his book, The Method, he has discovered formulas to interpret the volume of a sphere, or perhaps the surface area of curved objects. Yes, this was groundbreaking, mind-boggling material for his time. In fact, it was 1900 years ahead of its time. Not only did he find calculus, he also discovered the approximation of pi, the most commonly used term in today's mathematical equation.